Hey y'all, this is Randy, mobile traveler, coming at you live from Pierce, South Dakota, Griffin Park. Well, maybe not live, it's Memorex. Anyway, I guess I don't need these on, do I? Got this nice beautiful shade tree behind me. Anyway, the last couple days, a friend of mine, fellow tribe member, has been going through some having some issues. So I kind of like to talk about them. The name of this was Trolls, Stalkers, and Jerks. Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. As you all know, I belong to a tribe. And this tribe is my nomadic family. First and foremost, I'm gonna protect my family. Be it my nomadic one or my children. These tribe members are my brothers and sisters. Some are my sons and daughters. It may sound corny, but it's not. So hopefully this video is going to help them, and it's going to help some of the other travelers out there also. I'm mainly speaking about women, single women that's traveling alone. People think that the woman is the weaker sex. Well, that's wrong. They are not the weaker sex. Just as strong as a man is, and a lot of times stronger. And I've seen that in person. Stronger willed. You know, I'll tell you what, I couldn't give birth to a kid. I couldn't go through half of what the women go through, so my hat's off to you. But in this instance, you may need a little help. Anyway, what do you do if you get a stalker? Well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to call the police. You're going to get law enforcement involved. No matter what, don't try to take care of it yourself. You get law enforcement involved, and they're equipped to handle this. You may ask me, why are you talking about this, Randy? What kind of credentials do you have? Well, I'm going to tell you what I have. I have degrees in criminal justice, human services, and psychology. The job that I retired from, I was a crisis intervention supervising counselor in an intensive treatment program for sex offenders. So I know a little bit about deviance. Let's just call it like that. Let's just say deviance. Anyway, get law enforcement or the authorities involved. A lot of you people out here that are watching this video are YouTubers, and you are going to get trolls. You're going to get stalkers. You're going to get jerks and idiots. And I tell you what, the vast majority of them, they're harmless. They're harmless. You block them. You ignore them. Because those type of people, all they want is a little bit of attention. Don't give it to them. In this instance that I'm talking about, this guy is dangerous. He's made a lot of rude, crude comments. He's made physical threats towards this young lady. And I'll tell you the truth, I'm angry. I'm trying to block the sun with my big old head here. Let me turn this thing around. I'm angry, I'll tell you that. Yeah, you know, you've heard that story, that saying, don't get between a mama and its cub. Well, you know what? Wait till Daddy gets home. That's what my mom always said. I'll tell you, I'm flustered. Anyway, I cannot say this enough. Get the authorities involved. Ignore the trolls. And yes, call them out. Call them out. Now, if you feel that your life is in danger, your health is in danger, whatever, get them involved. Don't be quiet. You tell everybody around you. All right, enough of that. Now, safety for women. Single women traveling alone. Wait a minute, I just said it, didn't I? Traveling. First and foremost, if you don't feel safe, you get in that car seat, you turn the ignition on, and you get the heck out of there. You're mobile, and you can travel. You don't feel safe, you go. Number 2, always make sure somebody knows where you're at. That goes for men too. Just make sure somebody knows the vicinity you're going to, when you're going to be there, approximately how long you're going to be there. That's always a good thing. Oh yes, and like my mama says, make sure you have on clean underwear when you're driving. Just a joke, sorry. I had to say that. Now, when you've got a stalker, oh yeah, I got a question for you. Do y'all know what that little white speck is called? That's sitting on top of bird poop? Give you a second. More bird poop. That's it. Is that funny or what? These people are nothing but crap. So don't give them the time of day. Turn them over to the authorities. Now, I'm not going to name the person that's doing this. It's not worth it, because it just brings him into light. He will be dealt with. I can promise you that. He will be dealt with. All right. Well, that's a 8-minute rant. Now, if y'all got anything out of this, please share this video with your fellow travelers. You know, I don't usually ask to share it. Get it out there. Make sure people know we ain't gonna stand for this crap. You know, I'm trying my darndest not to cuss, but a song comes to my mind, and just never mind. Just picture this old man singing, "I'm gonna whoop somebody's ass." Bleep. Oh, I guess I didn't dub that in right, did I? Okay. Now, what do they say when you gotta relax? Woosah. Alright, people. I'm gonna sign off. Remember, stay safe. Please, stay safe. Travel on and love one another.